Welcome back, everyone. I hope you all have been practicing. Today, I am covering how to play accents with alternating sticking. Everything will be discussed within the full down, tap, and up stroke context. So, if you are unfamiliar with those terms, then check out these videos over here. Since I have 6 examples to cover in this lesson, the play-along sections will only have 4 tempos each. Accents with alternating strokes can be tricky because you have to adjust what stroke type you use now based on the next time you use that same hand. Let's look at the first example to see if it makes more sense. In this example, we have accents on every number that we play, and if you notice, we have accents also on every right hand that we play. The question is, what stroke type do we use for the first hit and the second hit? Looking at the right hand, we have a loud sound to a loud sound to another loud sound to another loud sound. So, using our stroke type analysis, we're going to be doing a full stroke to a full stroke to a full stroke and so on. We don't need to leave it down in a set position. We don't need to use a downstroke to get it to have this loud sound. Looking at the left hand, we are going from a soft sound to a soft sound to a soft sound to a soft sound. Using our stroke type analysis, we will know that it's going to be taps the entire time. So in this example, the right hand is playing all full strokes and your left hand is playing all tap strokes. So if you guessed something like this, then you would be correct. That goes full tap, full tap, full tap, full tap. Let's play this with the metronome. 1 and 2, and here we go. Lift. Awesome. In this second example, we have accents now on all of the ands. So this would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Where, if you notice, the left hand has all accents and the right hand is all soft tones. So if we track with our right hand, we're going to be doing tap, then tap, then tap, then tap, then tap, and so on. In our left hand, we're going to be doing rest, full, rest, full, rest, full, rest, full, rest, full. If it looks something like this, that's right. 1 and 2, and here we go. Can you guess before we get to the answer what the stroke types are already going to be for this example? Now, in our third example, we have accents only on 1 and 3. Which hands are these? They're all going to be right hand, but now we're going loud, soft, soft, soft. Loud, soft, soft, soft. So, what are our stroke types going to be? We're going to have down, tap, up, tap. Down, tap, up, tap. Notice the right hand is now having to play a downstroke, then a soft note with an upstroke to prepare for that next downstroke or loud sound. Again, down, tap, up, tap. Down, tap, up, tap. Let's play this together. 1, 2, and here we go. 1 and 2, and here we go. 1 and 2, and here we go. Here we go. Awesome. The fourth example has an accent on the and of 2, and that is going to be a left hand. Let's track what the left hand is doing. It is going rest, accent, rest, soft sound, rest, accent, rest, soft sound. So it's alternating between a loud sound and a soft sound, which means we are going to have to do our transition strokes. Rest, down, rest, up, rest, down, rest, up. Our right hand is playing taps the entire time. Let's play this together. 1 and 2, and here we go. 1 and 2, and here we go. 1 and 2, and here we go. And 2, and here we go. Example 5, I don't even really want to explain it to you. I think you should be picking up on how this goes now. Let's go ahead and play this together. If you need, I'll flash it down below here. Okay, let's play it. Example 5. 1 and 2, and here we go. 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 All right, here we are at example 6. Good work so far. And you should be getting the hang of this. As a just in case, our stroke types will look like this. Awesome. Example 6. 1 and 2 and here we go. 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 Great work, everyone. Now, I hope you were saying the stroke types and saying the stickings or the counting as you were playing. It's all very, very helpful for you to develop the language and the physical movement and awareness of what's going on as you play. Remember, drums are a preparatory instrument. You are always preparing for the next thing that you are going to play. I hope you guys had a great time in this lesson, and I will see you in the next lesson.
Now go practice!